Tony.
Hey Buzzkills, Fred Norm here. Well, looks like I'm gonna get another boil up on the go today. And this time I got Dennis, Filipino, and Eric and Tony are right there. There's Tony, Buzz bike. We gotta carry some stuff to the spot I'm thinking of having a boil up to this time on foot. Wood. So it was cut over at one time, and I'll regrow back. Try to lift it up and turn that into a little makeshift bench. Is that it?
Got my seat.
Oh, yeah, okay. Sitting on treetops.
Yeah. It's called Old Man's Beard. It is.
Whose beard?
I don't know.
The question is whose beard?
Old man's beard.
Old man beard.
It's just a lichen.
Yeah, old man's beard.
Too much smoke.
Oh, jeez.
So, boys, I guess we're going to try another approach in making this fire.
Sure work now. No, I want the splits.
I hope so. Seems like it's going through better.
Oh, yeah, everything's dry. We just need some splits. That's all.
Yeah.
Something.
Oh, just nice fire, right?
Yeah, there, Dennis. Moose.
Yeah.
Moose sausage or just
Sausage.
Yeah.
Ah, interesting.
It is.
Sausage. Another sausage. Chocolates.
Oh,
What is it? Birds. Very
nothing there to feed the army, sure.
What's this? A ham? I think. Yeah, it's a ham.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Coffee. Filipino coffee.
cool.
Oh, cool.
Look at it away. Put language. Put past the other way. Yeah. Probably.
There
we
you go.
Awesome.
Not real sure. There's water over there. Water over there.
Well, Buzzkills, it's time for the frying pan, I suppose. Got something a little bit different this time, boys and gals. Got the store-bought pork on a stick, shish kebab, perhaps, whatever you want us to call it. You got Eric?
Capelin.
Oh man, look at that. Smoked capelin, eh? That is beautiful. And mackerel? Oh yeah. You ever tried capelin mackerel before, Dennis?
I tried the Capelin smoke.
Oh, wait till you try this mackerel.
Mackerel, no.
Delicious, man.
Yeah.
Delicious.
Oh, you. Forget matters.
Yeah.
That poisons me. I can't wait. Can't go ball and eat.
Good capelin or what?
Yeah.
Capelin.
Want one?
Smoke.
Yeah, I had one that once. Got a lot of smoked capelin.
Well, you're
I say they're done.
okay.
Here's the shish kebab, pork shish kebab.
Yeah.
Pretty crisp.
You got the info and stuff. Kill bowl.
All right.
That kill singing away now. I don't know what tune, but singing.
So the beans wiener soon be done, Buzzkills. So yeah.
No, I'm not using that.
Oh, always burning. Burning always hurts.
Beans are done, boys and girls.
Good for your work.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, like that.
Okay. They're good, boy. There. Oh. Yeah, too much heat.
Norman, I'm one for boil-ups. Did you,
Oh, these are our kitchen fire.
did you leave 3 sausages in one of them boxes?
Yep.
I found it yesterday.
Oh.
In the box.
Delicious, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Roll it. Oh, cabin or something.
Tony's only having his beans. You know he wasn't planning on having it afterwards, eh? He was getting too stuffed, but he got to have it now.
Oh, that's too much for me.
Beans and moose sausage.
They are.
You got enough room, Tony, for those beans or what?
Easy to produce, right?
Well, boys and girls, that was another boil up. I think it's boil up number 12. This one here is, yes. And my son, well, it's quite a boil up. Big old feed. And we are absolutely stuffed her now. I'll tell you, this is probably the most food we ever had on a boil up. It was so good though. Loved it. Anyways, hope you guys did it as well. The video, I mean. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Would appreciate it so much. And check out my social medias. As always, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. So long and have a great day, everybody. Loves yous. Yeah, what a feed. And what a beautiful day. Yeah, good old Newfoundland boil up. Campfire cooking. Oh yeah.
Hello, boy.
Yeah, boy. Anyway, guys. See y'all next.